Hey there, welcome to Fluency Girls. I'm Mandeep, and we have today here yet another episode of building on your English language vocabulary using the news article. Now, the article that I have picked up today for building on our vocabulary is from First Post, and it is Starlink moves closer to India debut. Now, as I read this article, I urge you to read it along. It is displayed alongside. So, as I read it along, as it helps you in improving your pronunciation. Try to shadow and try to repeat the difficult pronunciations as I say. I'll explain the meaning of the highlighted words and phrases in a very easy language to you, and we'll try to use them in our everyday conversational sentences. So stick with me to the end of this lesson, and if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Let's begin. Starlink moves closer to India's debut. What is debut? Debut is the first appearance or performance. So here the debut, the first appearance of this satellite in India, it is moving closer to it. It is almost the time for its launch. So it is coming closer to making its first appearance. Elon Musk's Starlink is poised to revolutionize India's broadband landscape with its satellite internet services. Now here I have highlighted a phrase, poised to revolutionize. Let's understand the meaning of this phrase word by word. So revolution, by revolution you understand a big change. Revolutionize here means bringing in that big change. Poised to revolutionize, here it becomes a collocation that something is ready to bring a big change. So, as the article states, Elon Musk's Starlink is poised to revolutionize. It means it is ready to bring that big change. Now let's try to use this phrase in everyday sentences. This new AI tool is poised to revolutionize the education sector. Scientists believe that genetic engineering is poised to revolutionize medicine. If you can think of any new technology that is poised to revolutionize the world that we live in, then please comment below. Moving further, after securing crucial partnerships with telecom giants Airtel and Jio, earlier opponents, Starlink is set to penetrate the Indian market, bringing high-speed internet to remote and under-reserved regions. Now, after securing crucial partnership, that means after finally making that important crucial partnership, Starlink is set to penetrate. Now I have highlighted this phrase here, set to penetrate. Let's first understand the meaning of the word penetrate. Penetrate means to enter or pass through something. Here Starlink is set to enter the Indian market. Reading further, with India's ambitious digital expansion plans, the arrival of Starlink could be a game changer. Now, the phrase a game changer, it is a very commonly used phrase to state that something can significantly change a situation. So, a situation is there and something or some new tool or some new technology comes and it completely changes things around. So it becomes a game changer, something that changes the game altogether. The invention of internet was a game changer for communication. This new drug could be a game changer in cancer treatment. Comment below and let me know, what do you think? Is this Starlink going to be a game changer in how we use internet in India? Reading further, Traditional networks struggle with last mile connectivity, especially in rural areas. Starlink's low Earth orbit satellites promise to bridge this gap, enhancing digital inclusion. Now, it promises to bridge this gap. To bridge the gap means to reduce the differences. So, the things are apart, there are differences, and you are putting a bridge in that gap. That means you are bringing things closer together. You are reducing the difference. Let's use it in easy everyday sentences. Online learning helps bridge the gap between students and teachers worldwide. Social media has helped bridge the gap between celebrities and their fans, so they are able to communicate better with each other. Further, enhancing digital inclusion. Inclusion when you include something. So, enhancing digital inclusion. This means that the participation of digital activities or digital technology. So, the access to digital technology is going to be enhanced, it's going to be improved. The partnerships with Airtel and Jio, both leading players in India's telecom sector, offer Starlink an edge in navigating regulatory hurdles and infrastructure challenges. Now here, offer Starlink an edge. Offer an edge. Now we use this phrase in English language as something has an edge over another thing. When we say one thing has an edge over another thing, we mean to say that one thing has an advantage, some advantage over the other thing. So here, Airtel and Jio. So these partnerships with Airtel and Jio, they are going to give an advantage to Starlink in navigating regulatory hurdles. Regulatory hurdles. Hurdles are obstacles. Regulatory that regulations by government here. So navigate to find a way through. So this partnership with Indian telecom giants Airtel and Jio is going to give an advantage to Starlink to overcome the regulatory challenges and the obstacles. Let's use offer an edge in everyday English sentences. Learning multiple languages can offer an edge in the job market. This software offers an edge over competitors with its unique features. So the advantage this software has over its competitor is its unique features. Let's read the article further. However, affordability and competition remain a concern. Pricing will be critical in a market where cost-sensitive consumers have multiple options. Regulatory approvals and spectrum allocation could also pose challenges. Nevertheless, if executed well, Starlink's entry could push India closer to its vision of a fully connected digital economy, making the internet accessible to millions who remain unconnected. Let's take a look at this phrase here, remain a concern. That means it is still a worrisome issue. What is worrying? The affordability and competition, whether people will be able to afford it and whether it will be able to sustain the competition. Now, I want you to pay attention here at this sentence, nevertheless, if executed well. Nevertheless. Now, consider the use of this word as a replacement of in spite of or however. Here it's used in the beginning of the sentence, but it can be used in the middle of the sentence as a conjunction. It was raining heavily, nevertheless they continued their journey. So it was raining heavily, however they continued their journey. She was nervous before the speech, nevertheless she spoke confidently. So in spite of being nervous, she spoke confidently. So that was all about today's article. I hope that you liked this lesson. If you have liked this, then please hit that like button. It shows your love and it provides me the morale to serve you with better content next time. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time with another lesson. Till then, happy learning.